What's going on YouTube? It's your man James. Today we're going to do a quick unboxing and first impression of the Galaxy S22 Ultra. Got the box. You got your phone right here, or you got your box right here, and you got your phone. Beautiful color. So I got my S23 Ultra right here. Got a lens protector on there on the back, but pretty much the same phone minus the Snapdragon 8 Generation 1. We all know about the Snapdragon 8 Generation 1. I don't have to bore you with all of that. So I'm gonna go ahead and power on the phone, get it set up from my S23 Ultra, and then we'll pop right back over here. It did get a little hot, and I noticed it got hot in particular along the frame, which was a little bit odd to me, but nonetheless, here we are. Just from the let me turn the brightness up a little bit, but it must not be on 120 hertz, and I know it ain't on Quad HD. Ain't no way it's on Quad HD, so it was getting that warm without Quad HD. But so I got it all updated. But like I've mentioned, installed a plethora of updates. I believe it came maybe on One UI 4, might have been One UI 5, but either way, that thing got warm around the middle. So again, you got the S22 Ultra right here. All my notifications and everything coming through. I gotta fool around with my stacks and my widget a little bit. And here we got the S23 Ultra. Bright display. Oh yeah. Like I mentioned, pretty sure they pulled a fast one. There's no way that this is on 120 hertz. Yeah, there it is. So put that in Quad HD. Bow. You know what I mean? Just right off the bat. And then there it is, motion smoothness right there, standard. So I knew, I mean, it just didn't feel as buttery smooth. Yeah, there we go. You see that? It just didn't feel as buttery smooth. But all I got to do is transfer over any text messages that I got today, and we ready to rock and roll. I got this. This pretty much is set up. S23 Ultra here on the right. Same apps and everything. I mean, did the same. So yeah, pretty much could just pop my SIM card into any one of these phones and keep it pushing. So let me see if we got yeah, cut eye comfort shield off. Beautiful displays. We know what to expect out of these displays when it comes to Samsung, y'all. I mean, beautiful panel, lovely curved edges, beautiful shade right here. Look at that color. Definitely a lot more interesting than the white. Wouldn't be my choice of color for the phone if I had got it. I preferred the black, honestly, but my Note 20 Ultra is actually in the black finish. So I do got something in the rotation that I use that's in a nice black finish, but go right on into the camera here. Let's get into that pro video. Yeah, I mean, pretty much another Galaxy phone. I mean, yeah, flip that over. Another Galaxy camera. What can I say? The build quality on this phone, and honestly, just from that, it did get a little warm. The build quality on this phone, of course, we know what to expect. Very like the S23 Ultra, very much alike. So it does look a little bit thinner, a little bit more of a curve right here. Similar placement for all of your stuff. Oop, got your speaker grill, got your S Pen. Color matching the frame of the device here. volume rocker, power button. Premium device. I mean, we pretty much know what to expect from these phones, y'all. I ain't traded in my S23 Ultra. They're gonna have to take this one out of my cold dead. And to add insult to injury, I ain't even had the phone that long, so you know what I mean. My S23 Ultra is being baby, protect battery. You know what I mean? This is for the long term. My S23 Ultra is a vital part of my operation. I really don't feel like coming up off of the phone. That being said, the S22 Ultra, very beginning of the design that we know and love, the trademark modern Galaxy design here. And it needs to be said that this is a very lovely design. And if you're going to stick with it, I will be trading this phone in. So this is actually a finesse. The price that I paid for the phone, we all saw the trade-in values for the S23 Ultra. 750, kind of a slap in the face. So we all saw the trade-in values, and right now, and I mean, here's one right here, 475. You know, S22 Ultra for what I paid for the phone, and for the trade-in values that they're offering. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. Sometimes you gotta finesse a little bit. The S25 Ultra, if you've been holding out on upgrading, you probably gonna want to upgrade for that one. The S24 via the S22, that's justifiable. The things that I'm able to do with the Galaxy Ultra series phone in my pocket is unmatched by any other phone. Getting that S24 Ultra via the S22, to me, that's an easy go. I appreciate y'all rocking with me today. I'll catch y'all on the next video. Later.
Spitting fire, boy, that's still blazing. Getting higher in the haze, it's amazing. I'm rolling like a tire upon the pavement, boy.